The nominees for the 2012 Shell Tameer Awards are: from Lahore, Mohammad Adnan Butt of M-Vergence Media. M-Vergence offers marketing solutions and social network application development to some of the biggest companies in Pakistan. Adnan hopes to continue launching products to connect people on a regional scale. From Lorelei, Abdul Rahman of Rahman Marble and Granite Processing. Abdul Rahman runs a gem and stone processing business that mines, processes and markets a variety of stones and marble unique to Balochistan. He intends to expand his business locally throughout Pakistan and eventually break into the international market. From Karachi, Maliha Nasir of Daman. Daman is a women's wear brand which caters to casual and trendy fashion requirements of Pakistani women through its retail outlets and web page. Maliha plans to diversify her product line to cater to the ever-increasing number of working women in Pakistan and abroad. From Karachi, Mohammad Gulrez Khan of Samovar Tea and Coffee House. Samovar is a cafe at Karachi's port. Its outdoor setting is perfect for stimulating conversation as people sip delicious blends of tea. Gulrez hopes to create more spaces like Samovar, where people can meet, socialize and exchange ideas. From Dera Jatta, Salma Rahim of Zardozi Dera Jatta. Zardozi is a workshop specializing in embellishments for bridal wear. It caters to designers of haute couture across Pakistan. Salma started Zardozi to provide rural women with a chance to earn a livelihood and wants to expand it so women from surrounding villages have a chance to explore their potential. From Shikarpur, Nahid Abro of Marvi Crafts. Marvi Crafts specializes in traditional Sindhi embroidery, stitching and applique and uses design and color to transform age-old techniques into modern art. Nahid plans to expand her training institute for women and create more opportunities for her graduates by marketing products directly to urban consumers. From Swat, Sabrina Khan of Zindagi Ki Daur. Starting with a small investment, Sabrina built her Swati handicrafts business into 3 vocational centers that train local women. She intends to open outlets in major cities to empower her employees further and help them support their families. From Karachi, Shahzeb Saeed of Shahzeb Saeed Menswear. Manufacturing some of Pakistan's finest cotton shirts, Shahzeb's designs are highly sought after in the corporate world. Shahzeb plans to move from selling exclusively online to creating a retail presence for his brand across the country. From Peshawar, Sayyida Neelma Shah of Echo. Echo is a boutique that offers a wide variety of clothing and accessories for women, from handmade jewelry to formal attire. Neelma sees her business as one that makes women look and feel good and wants to ensure she adapts constantly to transform styles and provide great new looks. And finally, from Karachi, Shakib Zaman Khan of SK Motor Syndicates. Shakib started a door-to-door automobile service, providing his busy customers with a convenient way to have their cars repaired. He plans to continue growing his business to cater to all kinds of motorists in Karachi.